guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. Today's video, I'm giving you guys some laundry motivation. I know you guys really love these videos, so I'm going to be tackling about 4 loads today. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk.
So this is actually the first laundry motivation video that I've recorded in the new apartment. So it definitely is a lot different just because the washer and dryer is much smaller. However, the dryer is actually much better than the one we had in the old house. We actually went ahead and sold it because it wasn't 100%, but we have definitely been enjoying the dryer. Now the washer is a lot smaller than our other washer. We did actually keep our washer. We just took it to the storage building for when we move into a house within the next few years. So it's definitely something that I just have to get used to.
Something about you I like, I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So this right here is your motivation. If you haven't started a load today and you need to, go ahead and put a load in. I'm here for you guys for washing, also folding the clothes. So go ahead and get it started so you can take that off of your to-do list.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
No, I haven't showed you guys much of the new apartment. However, if you haven't seen Eleni's DIY closet makeover, definitely check that out. Also, I did a kitchen organization video. If you need some organization motivation, definitely check that video out. And then I'm going to be showing you guys some sneak peeks. So I'll be showing you like my closet, the bedroom. So it's not completely finished or furnished, but just will be showing you guys some sneak peeks as I do the laundry today.
I'm tired of this, and I want to tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart.
I'm still working on where to place the laundry detergent. I know a sweet subscriber told us not to place it above because I had thought about placing it above, but so definitely working on that. I'm thinking the entryway table, but then I have to figure out how to organize it or decorate it without it looking like laundry detergent or laundry powder. So definitely in the process of that. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. I would definitely love to hear them.
For something real, I'm going crazy. Like, what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep.
If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'm all about cleaning, organizing, anything to get your life together. You'll definitely get that here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family.
Show me your love, leave me breathless.
I do want to let you guys know, I know in the old house we actually had separate closets, but now our closet is together. So that's definitely something we're having to get used to with keeping all of our clothes together, and with us using the same space, we have to make sure to keep it super clean. But you'll see that in a second, or maybe I've already showed it to you guys, but we're definitely working on that. I do need to do probably an organization video on that just to get it a little bit more organized, but the closet space that I've showed you is pretty much what we have so far with moving everything into the apartment. So the way our laundry routine works, we usually start Thursday or Friday and finish up on Sunday. So that way we don't have to worry about it too much during the week. But I want to know your laundry routine below. I know some people do like a load a day. Some people do multiple loads in one day. So just let me know your laundry routine so we can definitely get some inspiration to see if we actually want to change it up.
But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out.
In the comments below, I want you to let me know, do you guys fold your pants and hang up your shirts, or fold your shirts and hang up your pants? Let me know in the comments below what your laundry method is. So as you see, we hang up all of our shirts and fold up our pants, and I also fold up my workout outfits. Not really working out much right now, but my workout clothes, I definitely do fold them up. And then, like I said, we just keep all of our shirts hung and our coats hung, and then everything else is folded.
How you move, it kind of makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go when I come real close.
So here's a look at the closet. Definitely not the best. Want to, do some organization to it, but it's been working so far since we've moved in and gotten everything semi-organized. But I'll definitely have an organization video in the near future for sure.
You better. Can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down before I'm too invested? You should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down before I'm too invested? You should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else, I got you. and you got me too.
So definitely ignore the stickers that you're about to see in just a second. Eleni decided to put stickers all over me, but it is now nighttime, so I'm going to show you guys what the bedroom looks at night. Definitely loving the lights that we put up. We actually had them in the old house, but definitely love how the curtain and the lights look at night. But we're going to be adding hopefully an accent wall behind the bed, so I'm thinking some type of wallpaper. And that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing in this room. Also, we'll probably add a few plants because I definitely want to gain a green thumb this spring and summer. So I'll be adding that as well. So definitely subscribe. I have a lot of cool content coming out very soon. So I would love for you guys to be a part of that with me.
We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
Thank you guys for staying till the end. I hope this video gave you some laundry motivation to definitely get some things done today and to check things off of your to-do list. I'm super excited to be giving you guys this content every Wednesday and Sunday. So like I said before, if you are not subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so. My next video will be a bathroom organization video, and I'm also going to share some decor with you guys as well. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.